That's right.
And here we are. We have gotten a lot of stuff covered because it's a lot of wood, and there's a couple of demos that I did right there. I'm gonna make the whole thing look like that. Probably gonna have to get up to get the top part, unfortunately, but normally I don't have to. It's just the angle and a little bit of a breeze that I'm very concerned about. And we're wetting down the wood to try to keep any solution off the wood, causing it to discolor. The top 3 dormers will go back to bright wood tone. There's just no way of keeping that off of that. Anyway, here, let's do it. Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We are out at this roof. This had to have been the most difficult roof we've ever done. No gutters, lots of pretty stuff underneath, and a black roof. This was about a year ago in October. This October will be a year ago we did this roof. We tarped because this is a real log cabin, and we did not want that roof mix on that cabin or on that wood. So we tarped, and I, you know, made it sheet off and tried to move it as best as possible, but it freaking looks awesome. Of course, you can tell where the mix hit the wood up there. There's nothing I could do about that, really. The mix is gonna hit the wood, so we just tried to clean it up as best as possible, but that is an absolute amazing job because this roof looked like crap. And there was a white streak down here. I thought it was something coming off the flashing. I was afraid. I even bought stuff with me because we're doing something else here a year later, and I bought some F9 products because I thought it was going to be left on the shingles. I pull up and go, ha, that's beautiful. I love it. It's done. It's been a year. It's been through fall. It still looks like a brand new roof. So we probably saved them $30,000, $40,000 by cleaning this roof, making it look good, because there was no leaks. So leaks wasn't the issue. Nasty looking roof was the issue. No longer nasty looking roof, no leaks, they're good. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.